everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video I am going to explain what is called GMP, good manufacturing practices. So after watching this video you will be able to explain what is GMP to your friends or anyone, be it an interview panel asking you what is GMP, because I will give you a couple of examples which you can relate. If you are new here, my name is Shamir Marwanki. I make videos regarding pharma, GPAT, NIPER, industry related things and all. So if you want to be a part of this community, subscribe to my channel and be a part of this channel, guys. So without wasting much time, let's get into the topic. So what was happening, guys? In 1937 and 1960, the world has witnessed some tragedies like sulfanilamide elixir tragedy and thalidomide tragedies. So the consequences or repercussions of these tragedies were far-reaching, which opened the eyes of regulatory bodies like US FDA and European regulatory bodies. So what they did, they brought some rules and regulations for the manufacturing, lab activities and everything. These are called GMP, good manufacturing practices. Later on, India also adapted in our DNC Act in Schedule M. You must be knowing DNC Act Schedule M, which deals with GMP. So I will give you some real-time examples how it goes, how the GMP really works in manufacturing plant as well as in analytical lab. So when it comes to a manufacturing plant, for example, assume that it is manufacturing paracetamol batches. If there is no GMP, there is a possibility that one batch may have more paracetamol and one batch may have less paracetamol. So which is not we wanted, right? If there is GMP in place, what and all will be there? There will be proper hygiene. All the operators or scientists, they will be wearing proper PPE, they will be properly gowned, the lab and area will be properly cleaned, hygiene will be there. The second thing is line clearance. Whatever the instruments or equipments they are using, it should be free from the previous product. For example, previously they manufactured something else, it must be free from the previous product. The third thing is cleaning validation. They will make sure that they will take some samples from the parts of equipments and they will send it for analysis and they will make sure that nothing is there. And the fourth one is batch manufacturing records. Properly they will record everything, whatever they are doing, they are weighing or they are blending, mixing, whatever they are doing, they will record everything in the batch manufacturing record. It is not like they are recording after 4 hours, 5 hours or tomorrow. Then and there contemporaneously they will, following data integrity, they will record everything, documentation, good documentation practices and all, they will follow and they will record everything. This is something will happen in a GMP lab. If something goes wrong, if something is not coming in a favorable way, it is a deviation. They have to raise a deviation and they have to investigate and they have to find the root cause. They have to give a correction and a preventive action. So this is how it will work in a manufacturing plant. When it comes to an analytical lab, for example, one analyst is going to perform an assay of dissolution. He must be qualified, he must be a qualified analyst. All the instruments, equipments must be calibrated and properly working, and they should follow strict documentation practices. For example, whatever they are doing, weighing, preparing media, preparing mobile phase, everything they should do online documentation. Once perform the activity, they have to write in the lab notebook. So this is how things will work. If something goes wrong, if the dissolution release or assay is not in the range or not in the trend or out of the specification, then it is a deviation. They have to raise a deviation, they have to find the root cause, whether it is analyst problem or instrument issue, they will find a solution. If it is the analyst problem, he will be sent to training. If it is the problem of the machine, it will be getting rectified. Okay, so this is how things will work. So hope you got an idea. If something goes wrong, it is a deviation. So it is very strict and it is very system driven environment. It is not like you can do whatever you want. You have to do everything in a systematic way. So this is how GMP will work. So there is one more term called current GMP. Nothing but it is an updated. Whatever the GMP things they are following, it is an updated version. They should be updated. Everything in every manner they should be updated. So guys, hope you got an idea about GMP. This video will help you. For example, if you are going for an interview or anything like that, definitely you can watch this video, and if you are a part of GMP, you can relate the things. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.